Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access MSCONFIG on Windows 10, as well as using it to help speed up your computer a bit by disabling startup applications. So some of you may have been familiar with MSCONFIG in the past, or you've heard of it, and I just want to show you guys a little bit of more specifically, what it can do. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So open up the start menu, type in msconfig. Best result should come back with system configuration. Go ahead and open that up. So if you open up system configuration, you'll see several tabs here. So in general, the general tab here, the normal startup is where you normally would boot Windows into. If you selected selective startup, you'd be able to go ahead and modify some of the parameters here. So if you were doing diagnosing of certain system problems, you may want to uncheck certain options here and then restart your computer. But generally, most people keep it in the normal startup mode here. Boot, if you have multiple OSs installed on your computer, so if you're dual booting, you'd be able to see them here. And you also have the options of booting into safe boot. Like I said, it kind of overlaps a little bit with the general tab here as well. And it gives you additional options here, but generally just more specific stuff. It gives you additional options here. Go ahead and select the services tab. This will show you different services that are running and stopped. Basically, this is a lot of the same information you'll get if you went into the services application itself, but you can go ahead and actually enable and disable services directly from here. And an added benefit is that you can hide all Microsoft services by clicking the drop box and then diagnose more specific service issues. And you also have the option to actually disable all services or enable them all in one attempt, so it actually will be a lot quicker if you're just trying to do a more overall troubleshooting approach. So it definitely gives you a little bit more options than if you just were to go through the normal services application. Go ahead and select startup. So these options have been moved to Task Manager in Windows 10, so it'll give you a link in here to open a Task Manager. It just shows you how familiar people are with adjusting startup applications within system configuration. And from here, you'd be able to go ahead and turn on or off certain applications from starting when your computer boots up. This is what most people think about when they consider MSConfig, and that's the option to go and disable different applications from booting up when your computer boots up. Definitely can be good in order to help speed up your startup, and doesn't actually delete the program. It just prevents it from starting when your computer boots up, but it doesn't stop you from actually opening it up once your computer is up and running. So pretty straightforward on that one. If we close out of the Task Manager, and then finally went over to the Tools tab, it gives you guys a few different built-in tools into Windows. So basically they just act as a shortcut, sort of in a similar capacity to the control panel in many ways. So it gives you different links basically that you could search for independently, or you could just open up the Tools tab here and actually launch these items from here. So let's select About Windows, and you can select the Launch button. And I actually will show you the command as well down here, so you can actually paste this into the Start menu search and go directly to it that way as well. But pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.